everybody, Kim from KB Tech Ed here with the answer to the question, how do I use the drums in GarageBand for my iPhone or my iPad? Let's record in GarageBand with drums. I'm going to use this set of drums. We're going to go ahead and tap on Smart Drums. Over here on the left side, you can change to different things. I happen to be in a hip-hop drum machine. There's a house drum machine. There's a classic drum machine, and there are actual classic studio kits. But we're going to go ahead and stay in the hip-hop for right now. These are my different options, and what I'm going to do is, if you look at this, it's louder or quiet or simple or complex. So if I take this here, it's going to have a complex rhythm, medium, loud. This is going to be louder and complex. This is going to be softer and quieter. So you just put your instruments in different places. See if you like the rhythm. See if you like how it sounds. If one of them seems like they're too loud, you can go ahead and move them. If you think you like it, you can go ahead and press record. I'm going to turn the metronome off. And press stop. Hit your rewind button and hit your play button, and you can hear what it sounds like. I'm going to go ahead into our tracks. I'm going to open and add another track. This time I'm going to actually choose the acoustic drums. And now, as you can see, I have a traditional drum set. If I go ahead and change them, there are lots of different ways I can change them, and they all have sort of a different sound, a different feel to it. So now I can actually play these drums with my fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and do record. Now if I go back to my track, you see that I have two different drum tracks. I can go ahead and play them to listen to them. And that is how you record drums in GarageBand.